There for you guys to take a look back anytime you need it. This is our first time we're taking a unit test in this class on Monday, so I want to make sure you guys understand how a typical review day goes first. There's going to be 15 questions, 41 points. Similar to your quiz, make sure you know both distance and midpoint formula. All right, because those, even though I quizzed it, that doesn't mean it's gone. All right, anything you had on your quiz I just gave back is still fair game for the test, including your distance formula. Which many of you did a very nice job with. The only thing I saw that was kind of common was make sure you put just X coordinates in here. I think a few of you, or in my other classes too, mixed an X and a Y together in there. Make sure X coordinates only, Y coordinates only, and then make sure you know the midpoint formula coming in. That's where I add the X's, divide by 2, same thing with the Y's. Okay. Yep.
For distance, order doesn't matter, correct?
For the X's, no, order does not matter, but it has to be X's together and Y's together. Yeah. Teddy?
Never mind.
Anything else here? All right, so make sure we know those down cold. And now look, I guess some ice chipped off my heart. I shouldn't probably be doing this, but I'm going to let you know you're going to be responsible for 2 constructions on this test Monday. Now, instead of saying, oh, look through your notes, good luck, I've narrowed it down to 5 constructions. It could be those 2. Okay? So instead of saying, oh, it could be anything, good luck, there it is. Okay? It's going to be 2 out of those 5. So be prepared. It could be worse. All right, you would have to prepare. You might have to prepare for every little one, but I broke it down into 5 for you. All right, so you're going to have to do 2 of those. And they might not be separate either. It might be like, it's not. I'm going to tell you, it's not. It might be like this, where it's a bisector combined with a copy of triangle. Okay, so it could be not 2 separate ones. It could be a combined one. But at least I'm telling you the 5 to be prepared for. All right, anything on the topics? Anything here on the topics? And now and I guess I probably should have put up, remember it's a unit test. Day 1 nets will be on there through day 8. Okay, which was all the constructions we did yesterday. It is a full unit test, days 1 through 8, and I guarantee there'll be nets on there. All right, so where do we review now? All right, how do I do a day before a test? How do we review? Go to your packet right now, please. Please don't start doing the review questions. I want to make sure you know where everything is. All right, go to page, 29 for you guys? Page 29 starts the review. Okay, go to page 29. On page 29 starts a slew of review questions that you can try out to prepare. A ton of them. Woo! 13 review questions, and some of them have parts A, B, C to them. Right? 13 review questions. In addition to that, please go to page 33, the end of the review questions for me. Go to page 33. In addition to those, I've also have suggested problems in your textbook to try out. And everyone remembers how to get textbook pages in here, right? On Classroom. That's where they are still. So not only do you have questions in your packet, you have a ton of questions in your textbook to try as well. How are you going to know if you're getting them right or wrong? Keep going past page 33, and does everyone see my answer key? Not only to the packet questions, you'll see the answer key, but if you go all the way to the end, you will see the textbook answers. Okay, so everything is in, I know everything is in your packet. You do not have to look up any answers on Classroom. They're all right there on the packet. Kevin, what's good?
Is all of this due as like homework?
No, it is not. That's the other thing. This is never going to be a homework assignment because you do what you think you need to do. If you think you need to do all of it to prepare, do it. If you think you just need the packet, do it. Nothing, good luck. But okay, you don't have to do anything then. So what I'm going to do today is in class, you have the rest of the time to work on this. I don't care what's going on in your other classes. You're working on this. You can move around, work with other people as well. I'm fine with that. Watch who you choose to work with. All right. If you're going to lose your focus working with them, probably not a good idea. All right. Keep your focus on Unit 1 test coming up on Monday. All right. Call me over if you need any help. Do what you got to do. All right. We got plenty of room in here to move around.